Hi guys, this is Jeff at Slavens Racing. I just want to show you a new product called the Slavens Mule 49mm complete fork without triple clamps. So our previous one had different triple clamps because the outside dimensions of the tubes required that. But we've made some changes because we kept having triple clamp supply issues and plus some guys, if you've got a bunch of stuff already mounted on your top triple clamp, like a, Mako 360 or, that kind of stuff, you don't really want to change your triple clamps, and I get that. So we've been working with MX Tech to come up with a solution for that. So we've got these new 49mm Slavens Mule forks. It's got the Raven internals, which a lot of you guys have already seen. So the fork cap and everything still looks the same, but it uses the stock triple clamps. All right, guys, so these things are totally badass. I've already done testing on these, but I just want to show you these forks real quick because I'm going to take them back off because I've already got my testing done. I've been testing these for a while, and we've also shipped this particular set of forks to a couple other guys for testing. We ship them around the country. We've got testers all over the place, and we're trying to get plenty of miles on these to make sure they perform as well as the ones with the triple clamps. So the ones with the triple clamps probably are going to still steer just a little bit better because of the triple clamp being more rigid, but this is damn good. I tell you, it's going to be $1,000 less, I believe. Don't hold me to it on that, but I think these forks are going to be $1,000 less than the previous ones that come with triple clamps. And they're just awesome. MX Tech has once again risen to the occasion here. So I'll just show you some details here. So this is different than the previous 49mm mule fork that we have that comes with the clamps. So this is a separate bushing and seal holder in here. And this can be replaced, like if you have a crash or you're sliding down the road, sometimes on a regular fork, you'll tear, since this is the part that sticks out the most, it'll get ground down and messed up. Whereas on this fork, you could actually replace that piece. All the internals in these things have all the cool coatings. Like here, let's see, this is the DLC, this is the Kashima coating. And MX Tech goes that extra mile, and they actually send those tubes. They machine the tubes here in the U.S., then they send them to Japan because Kashima was invented in Japan, and that's the only place you can get the original Kashima coating. There's a lot of fakes out there. Guys call it Kashima, but it's not. And MX Tech, Jeremy over there, he always goes that extra mile, and this thing is perfect and as high quality as possible. And all these coatings make a huge difference in, the outside. Having Kashima on the outside doesn't gain you anything, but when you coat it, you got to dip the whole thing. So the Kashima coating on the inside is what we're after. It is actually good on the outside. It is. I should back up a little bit there because it is harder, so it's going to be more difficult to scratch it. And these coatings, like those DLC coating, I forget the specs on this. Seems like it's, I better not say, but it's way harder than, I don't remember the multiple, but it's way harder than regular coatings. It's way harder than chrome. It's a lot harder than regular anodizing. So it just makes it slick, and that slickness gets rid of all that stiction. It really makes the thing respond extremely well to all types of bumps. Big or little, trail trash, square-edged, rocks, roots. And on the track, for track guys, you can also notice it there. The fork just works smoother. And this 49mm tube down here, along with the new specs that they've developed for up here, this fork has a very similar flex quality to it than our previous version. And I'm telling you, the things just work. It's a very impressive product. It's just a bolt-on. You can bolt these on in 10 minutes easily. And you can go out and have a great time and really appreciate what good suspension's like. Most guys, and this is nothing against anybody, most guys just have never experienced really high quality suspension, so they don't really know what they're missing. And guys tell me all the time how, they go out and ride and their bike just beats them up, and they think that's normal. Well, it is normal if you just want to ride a stock bike, but it doesn't have to be normal. The new normal is to spend some money and make your suspension work. At the end of my day, I'm 71 years old, guys. At the end of my day, I'm not beat up, and I ride rocks and roots all day. And we usually do some pretty long loops. So anyhow, that's all I wanted to show you for today is these beautiful forks, billet machined dropouts, or lugs, whatever you want to call them. All the different hard coatings, the special Slavens Mule valving. And the Slavens Mule forks are only available through us. If you call MX Tech, you cannot buy the Slavens Mule forks from them. They're only available through us. Whatever they sell you, it's going to be a little, firmer setup. And we can provide you firmer setups too if you want. But, and I also want to tell you, for guys that have already purchased Ravens or Luckies from us, the cartridges or the complete forks or the shock, and if you have any type of a service question about rebuilding it, about tuning it, whatever the question may be, please call us. This is our product that they make for us, and so we're the company that supports it. So if you have any questions about this product, whether you're thinking about buying them, whether you've already got some and you have a question, please give us a call. Not all my staff guys can help you, but they will pass you on to the right guy. All right, guys, if you would please like us on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe to us on YouTube. That really helps us out a lot. We'd appreciate a little help from you if you have a minute. And other than that, get out for some throttle therapy. Nothing more important than some good throttle therapy. And don't forget why you bought that bike. You bought it to go out and ride and have a good time. So get out there and do it. Shred some knobbies. Hope to see you on the trail this summer. That's all for now.